folks often see improvement in their cat within a few days, but it can take longer. It can take up to 2 weeks or so. If you're not seeing improvement, or you are seeing a degrade of your cat's condition in any way, shape, or form, whether it's more lethargy, if it's ocular FIP, if the eyes are getting worse, if your cat is getting more clumsy with neuro FIP, make sure you let your admins know. It may be that your cat requires a higher dose to get past, to help cure your cat. So make sure you're keeping them apprised of your cat's condition, good and bad actually. The more that they know, the better they can help you proceed. And so it's not uncommon for dosage to get increased through treatment for various reasons. But making sure that you're keeping your admins informed is going to be helpful to ensure that. At same token, the dosage that your cat is getting is based on weight, and so it is going to be important to weigh your cat periodically throughout the treatment. Every few days to a week is fine, especially if your cat's weight is fairly stable. If you have a kitten, weighing at least every few days is advised, because your cat's weight may be changing fairly quickly, especially if maybe lost weight because of the illness. Hopefully as they get an appetite back, they'll start gaining weight. And so it is important to weigh and make sure that you're keeping your dosage increasing as your cat's weight increases, or I suppose down. If your cat has wet FIP, your cat may lose weight initially and then gain weight as they start to feel better. So on the subject of nutrition and gaining weight, or just keeping weight, it is really important that your cat eats well through the treatment, because they need the energy to work in tandem with the drug, the medicine, to fight this off and become healthy again. So it is really important that they eat well and consistently. There's various appetite stimulants that can be helpful in doing that if your cat does not want to eat, or it doesn't have an appetite. And then advice that was given to me is don't worry so much about the quality of the food that your cat is getting. Just make sure they're getting calories and getting something in them. Again, they need energy to help fight this off. So if you're really picky about food, maybe be a little less picky about what your cat eats, and just make sure they're getting energy so they can help fight this off.